Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to give away your advertising boost vacations via Builderall. There's a couple of different ways you can do it, and I'm going to show you how to do both of them. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Mailing Boss email marketing form. So first off, I'm creating a new list. I'm calling it Vacation Giveaway List. Putting single opt-in, single opt-out. And then I want the email field, I want the first name field, and I want a drop down field. The drop down field is where we're going to select our vacations. So here we've got the name and the value, and I'm going to come over to Advertising Boost, and I'm going to copy all of the vacations that we can get, and then when that's done, let's save changes. And we're not going to have a welcome email, so welcome emails are turned off by default, so just hit save and next, and come into the editor, right click, configure, Mailing Boss Vacation Giveaway List. Now we need to come into the list settings. So if I come into lists, into update, and into notifications. So this is where you can have an email sent to you when someone subscribes. So I'm going to be using Zapier parsing. So I've set up email parser through Zapier. It's easy to get set up, parser.zapier.com. Then when you create a mailbox, you copy. So now whenever someone subscribes, an email is going to go out to this email, and you can select the content of the email to be passed into Zapier. So now that that's done, select number 3 just for testing, put email in, and we've got a new email. So you want to come down here and I think it's always use HTML. Yeah, always use HTML. And now you can highlight this and say vacation, save, email, save, name, save. So now that anything that gets sent through in these spaces will be passed into Zapier. So save address and template. Now come into Zapier, make a new Zap, the email parser. Let's run a new email. Zapier email parser, you'll have to connect that if it's your first time doing it. So pull in samples, email A, continue, and then add a step, and advertising bait, send holiday, connect an account, into resources, into integrations, to Zapier API. Then you select your business, you select the pass output name, the pass output email, default destination, you can just put that on Cancun or whatever, and then the destination ID, pass output vacation, there we go, number 3. So when you've done that, you can click continue and send test to advertising, and then finish, and then you're all done. Now the other way to do it is through the contact form. So through the contact form, you can see I've set up here, I've selected the left hand side, so received email response. You grab your Zapier, select a subject, select the redirect, confirm. Okay, so now I'm going to come over to the elements, edit the elements, and in the tag I'm going to go name underscore, confirm, email underscore, confirm, vacation underscore, confirm, hit confirm, save, come back into template, again use the HTML and select there, email, vacation, name, save address and template, come back to Zapier, do the exact same thing you did last time. So new email, Zapier email parser, choose your mailbox, put in samples, add an action step, send holiday. It's pretty much just save and continue once you've set everything up the first time. Choose your business, pass output email, nope, wrong one, pass output name, pass output email, default destination, whatever you want it to be, and your actual destination. Continue. Send text. And it's on. Williamsburg. And there we go. No reply at complimentary trips. Your Williamsburg vacation from business on steroids. High test. There you have it. That works. Then we can test the other one here. I'm going to put my name to confuse it because there's a character in it. There it is. You're Orlando. James Neville-Taylor. See, the little dash in my name didn't confuse it. Came straight through. No issues. They're both working fine. And then this issue can be sorted out just by adjusting the height in the form field style right here. No more cutoff. And you're done. There you have it. There is your 2 ways to set up vacations, automated vacations within Builderall.